Good morning to all. Who is the richness? Who is the real richest person in the world? According to we are all, always we are thinking he is the richest person. Those who are having well condition in economical things, and those who are having good vehicles and good bungalow and good everything buildings and more facilities, he facilitated from all things. He is the aristocratic person or the richest, but not it is. Real richness is the different. According to this thought, virtue is alone his happiness. Virtue, those who are virtue and good qualities are making him happy. Those who are happy, first of all, they are the richest persons. The economically person also not with happiness, but those who are good qualities, good behaviors and certain courtesies those who are having, they are only living with their happiness. Happiness is very devotional thing, so that all worldly people are remember to them because their courtesies are good and they are like their politeness and there's everything which qualities are seem to be good to others. If all the people are going to remember him or her, he or she is very good person and she is very or he is very helpful person, is very well settled in helping nature, he is the or she is the richest in the world. Like this, the symbolical richest person are many more in the world, means the economically settled persons. But always the worldly people are not taking this name with the good qualities. Real richness is very different. Who is the lover of nature? He is the real richest person. If he or she will become a love of nature, really he or she will love all the members of nature, and she will try to understand what are the qualities of the nature, how nature is providing us, and he or she will try to giving thanks to the nature and going to surrender to Almighty. He is the richest. Those who are not having surrender to Almighty or the nature, he is real poverty, because of without surrender there is nothing. Everything is with giving thanks to each one. only some of them are proud much of themselves, but they are not going to proud about others. First of all, if we need to become richest, we should be with good heart. Good heart can process good things in the world. Where there is a way, there is a way. Goodwill can create a good ways to others. Only always we are searching sad and feelings in the nature. It is real poverty of ours, because nature has gifted by Almighty. Almighty is the Father of the richness, but we are thinking what He has provided, it is the so poor. Means directly we are not saying the Almighty is provided, it's very sad, but our actings are like that. What in the world, we are facing a lot of trouble, we are facing a lot of problems, we are having a lot of poverty. Go and love the nature, love the world. Actually, it is the devotional power. A world is the divine center, but we are not knowing about that. Indirectly, our saying is seem to be sometimes God's creation is making harm to us. But directly we are not saying what this nature is. Not having oxygen. Totally oxygen is going to lose in the nature. No, nature is not going to lose in anything. Always it is the creation of Almighty. It will never last. We are going to lose ourselves and trying to blame to the nature. But nature is very good quality. It is having a richness of Almighty, but takers we are not powerful, so that we are thinking in our way only. One thing is there, poor people, poor person on the rich earth, but poor but not rich person in the poor earth. No, earth is always richest, but man we are very poor, so that we are thinking always poor things, silly things. Always we are thinking poor, means always we are thinking in the world sad. Wherever we can go, we are feeling very sad. No one person is also thinking in this world, this world is divine center, this world is very happy creator, the nature is as our mother. It is our richness, but simply we are having an economically condition, or we have very good buildings and very good bungalow, and we have a lot of gardens, and we have facilitated very comfortable facilities. It is not our richness. First we should have to accept others' goodness. It is the richness. If we are going to accept others' good things, then we can develop ourselves. We are very memorable persons to others. Those who are having a memorization about us with our good quality, it is our real richness.